Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a motorcycle that's built for adventure, the Kawasaki Concours 14. This machine isn't just about speed, it's about conquering long distances in style and comfort. So, buckle up, gearheads and weekend warriors, because we're about to dive into the world of the Concours 14. Performance. Let's start under the hood, or should I say, under the fairing. The Concours 14 boasts a monstrous 1,400cc engine. Now, that translates to serious muscle. We're talking about effortless acceleration and power that will pin you back in your seat. But it's not just about raw power. This engine is tuned for smooth, linear delivery, making those highway miles a breeze. One thing to remember is that this is a big bike. But don't let that intimidate you. Kawasaki has equipped the Concours with a shaft drive system. No more messy chains to adjust or maintain. It's a low-maintenance solution that's perfect for riders who want to focus on the journey, not the mechanics. Comfort design. Speaking of journeys, the Concours 14 is all about comfort. The riding position is upright and relaxed, with a well-padded seat that will have you thanking your rear end after hours on the road. And for those longer trips, the electronically adjustable windscreen lets you fine-tune the airflow for maximum comfort, no matter your height. The design of the Concours 14 might not win any beauty contests, but it's all about function. The bodywork is built for wind protection, keeping you comfortable at high speeds. And let's not forget the massive storage capacity. This bike is a packed mule, ready to swallow up your luggage and gear for any adventure you have planned. Unique selling points. Now, what makes the Concours 14 stand out? A couple of things come to mind. First, it's that combination of power and comfort. You won't find many bikes that offer this level of muscle without sacrificing rider well-being. Second, the Concours is loaded with features like anti-lock brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system, making it a safe and reliable touring companion. Target audience. This motorcycle is perfect for riders who crave adventure and want a machine that can handle anything they throw at it. Whether you're a seasoned long-distance rider or weekend warrior looking to explore, the Concours 14 has the power, comfort, and features to make your journey unforgettable. Conclusion. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that redefines comfort on two wheels, then the Kawasaki Concours 14 deserves a serious look. It's a powerful machine built for eating up miles and making memories. Call to action. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the Concours 14. If you're considering a sport touring motorcycle, leave a comment below and let me know what questions you have. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews.